This video will show you how to submit work into an assignment into Google Classroom that has not been completed electronically. So this would be useful for things like projects, physical projects, or maybe like a worksheet that gets filled out where both of those items would need to have a picture submitted to complete an assignment. Most importantly, to get started with all this, you want to make sure that you have the Google Classroom app downloaded onto a device. So this can be done on an iOS device like an iPad or an iPhone, or an Android device. You can find this in the respective stores on those platforms. Once you've got the app downloaded, then you want to make sure that it's signed in with the child's CPS account so that they can access their classroom. Once they're in, you'll get a screen like what you're seeing here that shows all the classes that they're enrolled in. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this with the demo test class. In the demo test class here, I've got an assignment, this art project that I need to turn in that requires to have a picture taken of the completed work. So once I'm in looking at the assignment, note at the bottom here, there's an area for your work. If I tap on that arrow, it opens up a slightly different screen here that shows that you can add an attachment. I'm going to go ahead and click on the add attachment. And then there's a use camera option there. That's the fifth one down. I'm going to go ahead and use camera. When I select that, it turns on the camera. I can then go ahead and take a picture of the work. Note that there's a retake option if the image that you take isn't up to your standards. So you can go ahead and tap on retake if you need to do that. Or if it's sufficient, then go ahead and tap on use photo. It then will upload the photo to the assignment. And note that there's an add attachment option that's still there. So if you need to submit more than one picture for the particular assignment, you can go ahead and repeat that process and add additional photos at that point. For this one photo will be sufficient, so I'm going to just tap on turn in. I'm going to go ahead and submit this, and it will change and show that the assignment is now complete. Just keep in mind that when you're using a camera that you want to make sure that you have good lighting on the objects that you're taking a picture of. Make sure that the device that you're using isn't casting a shadow onto the objects. We want to make sure that the teachers are able to see everything that you're turning in. So to recap, most importantly, just make sure that you have the Google Classroom app downloaded onto a device, signed in with a student's account, and then you can go to the assignment and then add the attachment and use the camera at that point to take a photo. So if you have any questions, please contact the school. Thank you.